So this is the book, the tree book, and here's the article on the trembling aspen. And I'm pretty happy with the way they turned out. They look very close to the photograph here in this little reference book, as you can see on the trembling aspen. So this is the general arrangement then, and then this scene will get filled up more, of course, with the barn and then the corn patch. And then over to the right there, you can see where the oak tree goes in, and then this area here is going to have some trees sort of tapering down and some evergreens. And then further down will probably be other type of deciduous trees eventually down by the grain elevator. So yeah, pretty happy with that so far. The scene's slowly coming together, but I'm liking the way it's being composed right now. And this stand of trees is really cool. It really reminds me of some of the experiences I've had here in Langley. There was a stand, I think I mentioned this before, that they cut down. I was really disappointed in that one for development in the more urban area of Langley. But, well, at least I captured it in a model anyway, and I get to sort of model the experience and have it on my layout, okay?